Thanks for joining us. Joyce comes in because she wants to get checked for hearing aids, and they won't do it with all the wax in the ear. So we'll take a look and see if we can get it cleaned out. And hopefully you'll be able to enjoy the journey. Before we get too far, I want to thank some special people who make this possible. Lindsay Antoine, BooBoo Kitty, and Petra Rosenberg. Thank you, ladies, for your help making these videos available for people to be able to watch. And we'll go ahead and get started.
Okay.
I will stick this in your right ear. And we see some nice bright yellow wax, so that is always something we like to take out. I'm gonna, right now, while we have this set up, come over onto the left side and just look and see what we can see in there, and it's not quite as much. Did they say this side was full?
No, they said it had some, but
Yeah, it's not.
it wasn't as bad as
It's
the
not as
rye.
impressive. You probably feel something there. I can see the wax. Sorry. That's not the part I got out though. Let's get that. And what we have is, it's kind of coming out like a ribbon. That's all gathered up there. I'm going to put that right, just a very bright yellow ribbon of wax. And then I'm going to take a look back in after just a little bit of curettage. Well, right off the bat, I see where I created an abrasion in there. So I need to be more gentle with your ear canal. But I also see that there wasn't that much wax once you get through that initial part. So I'm going to irrigate it instead with water. And then I'll turn it up. I'll turn it down. Is that okay? If it's on low, is it okay?
Yeah.
There's a big bunch of wax coming out. I'm going to stop it because that's sore there. And we already got, can you see that came out?
Oh, wow.
I'm going to take a look in. Oh, there's some, yeah, there's still some in the canal. All right, I think the best way to get that is to irrigate since there's an abrasion in there. So that's what we're trying to get. Let's see if I can leave that a little bit open. Does it hurt when I look?
No.
Okay. I'm just keeping that in there. Oh. I felt it break. It's attached. Hey, thanks for joining us. Again, we thank BooBoo Kitty, Lindsay Antoine, and Petra Rosenberg for helping make this possible. And do make comments for Joyce after what she went through, because that was a harder one than usual. And I recognize that, and I apologize for the instrument there. The bleeding will stop. The wax will continue to come out with continued irrigation. And I do want you to do it on both ears.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. And then also, I'm promoting a new project we're working on. There'll be a link, probably a week after this video first comes out, there'll be a link people can click on to find out what Madison Woman is all about. There's a Kickstarter associated with that. So I appreciate everybody checking that out. Until next time, Dr. Mark Vaughan and Joyce telling you to stay in good health.